Hello bike lover, Cooya New Mountain Sports Bike. The Cooya New Mountain Sports Bike is a solid choice for both men and women looking for an affordable yet feature-packed mountain bike. With a 27-speed system, a carbon fiber frame, and a lightweight build, it offers great value, especially at the discounted price of £196 and 26 pence, 40% off from £327, and key features and performance, build quality, and design. One of the standout features of this bike is its carbon fiber frame and fork, which contribute to a lightweight yet durable structure. Carbon fiber is usually found in high-end bikes, so having it at this price point is a big plus. The steel rims ensure good strength, though they add a bit of weight. Speed and gear system. With 27 speeds, this bike allows for smooth gear shifting, making it ideal for trail riding, uphill climbs, and city roads. Whether you're tackling rough terrains or cruising on flat surfaces, the variable speed system ensures a comfortable ride, suspension, and comfort. The bike comes with a spring front fork, which provides some cushioning on bumpy trails. However, since it's a low-gear non-damping fork, it may not absorb shocks as effectively as higher-end suspension systems. The back suspension helps provide some extra comfort when riding on uneven surfaces. Braking system. The V-brake and disc brake combo offers reliable stopping power. While disc brakes provide better control in wet and muddy conditions, V-brakes are easy to maintain. This combination makes the bike versatile for different riding conditions. Weight and load capacity. With a load capacity of 150 kilograms, this bike is suitable for most adult riders. Its lightweight build makes it easier to handle, transport, and maneuver on trails. Pros and cons. Pros: lightweight carbon fiber frame. 27-speed system for versatile riding. Back suspension for added comfort. Disc and V-brake system for better control. Affordable pricing with 40% discount. Cons: spring fork is low-gear non-damping, so shock absorption is limited. 20-inch wheels may not suit all riders. Standard mountain bikes usually have 26. Ordinary pedals might need an upgrade for better grip. Final verdict. At its discounted price of £196 and 26 pence, the Cooya New Mountain Sports Bike is a great entry-level or mid-range choice for riders who want an affordable, lightweight, and versatile mountain bike. While the front suspension and wheel size may not suit hardcore trail riders, it's a solid option for beginners and casual riders looking for an all-terrain bike. Best for beginners, casual ride RS, and those looking for a budget-friendly mountain bike with decent performance. Thanks for watching this video.